awesome. The Super Bowl is gonna be on. Let me check. But this phone screen is too small. It's really small. Can't believe it. Look at this. It's too small. We're gonna put up an 85-inch TV so we can watch the Super Bowl. All right, so we took our template off. We found our holes. Sometimes you miss. Right here, I missed once. And right here, I missed. Look at all these times I missed. This is patchable, okay? And then this one time. Okay? And now we're ready to put on the bracket. Got it? Let's put it up. Okay, bottom. Up. Abajo. Shit. Okay. Okay. Okay, bad news, guys. So, upon putting the television, guess what happened? Plastic piece on this end right here just shattered on us. It broke into a million pieces. Here's the broken piece, see? Look at that. So the customer's gonna go and exchange the part, get a new one so we can complete the job. Thank you. Keep watching.
2,000 years later.
Hey everybody, okay, so this is part 2, the second video. So we have reinstalled the new items, the new pieces. Okay, they're all installed. Everything looks good so far. So now we already replaced, we put the mount back on the wall. And now we're gonna hang it up to the wall. Let's do it.